Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people do ask around, like, can you borrow against your brokerage? The answer is yes. You can borrow against your brokerage account using a margin loan, but it depends on whether your broker offer margin trading or your available asset. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the right steps to take on how to borrow money or borrow money from your brokerage account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe buttons because actually helps me out. So let's get started. How borrowing against a brokerage account works. So you can borrow up to 50% of your eligible investments, which varies by your broker, and also your stock, which is the ETFs and other assets, act as a collateral for you, and also low interest rates than personal loans or credit cards. And also you can use the borrowed fund for trading or personal expenses. And how to get a margin loan. Check if your broker offer margin account, for example Fidelity, and also enable the margin trading to upgrade your account if needed. Then check the borrowing limit based on your portfolio values. Then after that, request a loan, then withdraw fund or use them for trading. And that's it. That's how you can simply borrow against your brokerage account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.